Download the corresponding image from the software download page of DEBIX official website on your PC. If the downloaded image file is a zip file, you need to decompress it into an .img file. Download the image, flashing tool and required drivers. Open the driver file downloaded from our website and click Install Driver. Link DEBIX OTG port to PC USB using a Type-C cable. Press and hold the maskroom key while powering on the device to enter USB burning mode. Run the flashing tool factory tool, click Firmware, to load the system image you just downloaded from DEBIX official website. And then click Run to start the burning process. Wait for the system burning to finish. When it shows Upgrade OK, it means the burning is finished. After burning, disconnect power and OTG. Make sure the DEBIX R3576-01 is completely powered off. Then plug back in to start.